Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming your 2.8 average elixir composition and a clear win plan. This matters because speed wins exchanges. Once loaded, assess the opponent's opening. If they show a heavy play, delay and cycle cheap cards. Make your first actionable pressure play, a single hog rider behind the tower or at bridge depending on their hand, with dart goblin positioned to snipe counters. Do this to force them to spend elixir while you maintain tempo and chip damage. Now you manage the complex middle. You balance elixir so you can always retake initiative because losing tempo costs towers. Once you spot a heavy answer, bait it with a cheap cycle card, then punish with hog plus dart. Position the dart goblin to avoid splash and target support troops. Make sure to alternate lanes every 1 to 3 full cycles to stretch their counters. This creates mismatches and forces misplays. Keep counting their key answers, so your next push is decisive. In the final phase, you convert tempo into a tower. Bait their key defensive card, then commit hog plus correct spell or chip follow-up. This is how you finalize a trade advantage into tower damage. Once done, reserve 2 to 4 elixir to defend any sudden counter pushes and keep Dart Goblin alive for value. Its chip often seals games. If things go wrong and you can't break through, slow the pace, bait with 1 small card, then rebuild your cycle to find a better opening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.